Nowadays, more and more IT comes from the so-called cloud. Simply put, cloud services are all programs or online storage that are based on internet technology, and that you as a user can access easily and from almost anywhere. For example, your private webmail account, your online storage at Google, Apple or Dropbox, the Doodle scheduler, or an online translator. But also enterprise applications such as email, Office or SAP now frequently come from the cloud. So, can you use cloud services for business information with confidence? Unfortunately, no. There are differences which you should definitely be aware of. Basically, the programs and data do not really come from a cloud, but always from the server of a provider. And what really counts is its business model or our contractual relationship. There are countless so-called self-subscribing public cloud services. That means free apps or services where you can simply register yourself, briefly confirm any terms and conditions, and then you get started. Some of these cloud services are free basic versions of a paid pro version and are simply intended to inspire you to go for the paid version. But with other self-subscribing public cloud services, the saying goes, if it's free, you are the product. By confirming the terms and conditions, which, like me, you always read carefully, you allow the provider to collect, evaluate, and process your data. Google evaluates every search query and every translation in Google Translate. Apple and Amazon all Siri and Alexa voice commands, while Facebook analyzes your posts and photos. They all try to create a profile of you that is as accurate as possible, because this data is worth its weight in gold for advertisers. Data is the currency of the 21st century. Of course, ultimately, it's your decision how to handle your personal information. We can only recommend that you use it sparingly and read the terms and conditions from time to time. However, the situation is different for our company data. You may only ever process or store company data on the systems provided by our IT department. Of course, these can also be cloud services, but our IT controls them. We have thoroughly analyzed the providers in advance and concluded contracts. We determine in which continent or country the data is stored in order to comply with data protection laws. We determine how the data is encrypted, who is allowed to access it at all, and how secure this access is, for example, by two-factor logon. In addition, log files enable us to trace who accessed what and when, which is also a legal requirement in many areas. All this is missing with public cloud offers, which are not provided by our IT. And that is precisely why company data has no place there. So now you know why some cloud services are allowed and others are not allowed. We are counting on you.